The lounge is finally starting to take shape. The floor's been tiled, the walls have been painted, and up until now, we've been pretty hands-off with the renovation. But this is where the fun really begins. Originally, the plan was to wallpaper the rear wall, but because of previous floods and the possibility of more in the future, we decided a stencil would be a safer option. We found a beautiful bird and tree design in a chinoiserie style on Etsy. What's great about it is how flexible the pattern is. It can be used in so many different ways with different colour schemes. We've included a link to the stencil in the description if you'd like to check it out yourself. For our space, we went with bright, bold colours to tie in with the paint and the furniture. Luckily, my wife took charge of this part. If it was down to me, it would have been a complete mess. She patiently worked through 5 separate colours, carefully building up the design, layer by layer. The prep itself was straightforward. A light spray of glue on the back of the stencil, then fixing it to the wall with masking tape to hold it flat. Once the paint was applied, we left it about 30 minutes before peeling it away. And the first section looked fantastic. We did notice a little of the base blue paint lifting where the masking tape had been, probably just because it hadn't fully cured, but that'll be easy enough to touch up. From here, it's just a matter of repeating the process until the whole wall is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing this space come together. If you'd like to follow along with more updates, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.